Did you know that you could actually lose weight during the holidays and not be the person who gains 5 or 10 pounds just because it was Christmas or Thanksgiving or Halloween?
You can do it. And we know that you can do it because we've done it. Our girls have done it. Penelope and I, our mother-daughter, we've lost over 260 pounds combined, and we've done it all naturally. And we believe that that is the truthful, honest, right way to do it, because starting over every Monday is just no way to keep living your life. If you feel like you're really ready to get to the root of the addiction, because that's what every addict says. I'm just going to binge all night on whatever it is, mac and cheese or pizza or popcorn or whatever it is. You don't need to start over every Monday.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
And here's the thing that I think most people don't realize is that our food supply has gotten really toxic in the United States of America, and that's bleeding over into other countries as well. We have genetically modified food. We use herbicides, fungicides, pesticides on our food. And these substances that are in our food chain are going into our bellies when we eat them, and they're altering our gut microbiome. And because our gut microbiome is off, it's affecting our blood glucose levels. We're seeing an all-time high in children, especially of diabetes type 2 and obesity. We've never been fatter, sicker, and more infertile than we are right now. It's a real problem, and I know that you know. And so when your gut microbiome is out of balance, I mean, literally, there's like holes that are being poked in your gut microbiome, which is causing permeability issues and the thing called irritable bowel syndrome. In fact, we tried to get an appointment at a gastroenterologist office, and they don't have any appointments until almost the middle of next year. That's crazy. There is a serious problem going on in our culture with our gut microbiome. And it's almost like a new field of science. Stanford wants to make it its own organ system, like your liver or your heart, your gut microbiome. I mean, it's like the wild, wild west in figuring it out. And that's why we deal with this in our programs. We believe that you heal your hunger from the inside out. We don't think that like an injection to numb it out or overeating to stuff it down is a good idea. It doesn't work. Not only is it not a good idea, it just makes you even fatter, sicker, and more infertile. So we think you should make blood sugar
Friendly meals.
Yeah, I think that's a great hack on how you can lose weight during the holidays.
Keep your body in a fat burning mode when your meals are full of fiber and protein. Not sugar, not cane sugar, not white flour, not white cane sugar, none of that. No, fiber and protein. And we're like, if you're thinking like right now, like, well, I love sugar and I love sweet. You can have your cake and eat it too. I believe that this is the only way to lose weight is to have your cake and eat it too. So we have a Substack. We have amazing recipes where we show you how to make gluten-free, sugar-free, grain-free, all these amazing recipes that are delicious and sweet. So you can have it, but you just have to learn how to make it differently.
Yeah, and you could be a fat burning machine where you're burning fat all day and night. But you have to know a few things. And one thing is to really avoid flour and sugar. We talk about it a lot. And if you feel like, no, I think you should try it. I mean, at least for 7 days. We for this holiday season, we have a free 7-day sugar detox. You could just try it for 7 days. And that doesn't mean you can't go to your party, but maybe you have a different cocktail. Like when Penelope goes out with her friends and they're having cocktails, she has a lot of really cool mocktails. Why don't you tell them one of your mocktails?
Right now my favorite is a virgin mojito. So it's just lime juice, crushed mint, sparkling water, ice, and then some stevia. Wow, it's divine.
So that lime juice will also lower your blood sugar, believe it or not. And that's a great, really hydrating drink. The mint is great for your skin. So if you want beautiful skin while you're losing the weight like we have
a whole mocktail guide in our program, which I think you guys would love.
Yeah. So we think it's possible for you to lose weight during the holidays. We want you to get a head start on your health for the new year. And more than that, we want you to feel vital, vibrant, healthy, and we want you to have flavor and deliciousness. So head over to our Substack, get all of our behind the scenes recipes, because we believe your journey should be delicious, abundant. I mean, really delicious. So definitely get our recipes. It's $8 a month, or get some for free.
Don't forget to like this video, comment down below something that you learned, share this video with someone you love, and we will see you all the time.